When we start with any biodiversity or ecology project, we typically start either with a field site or a focal taxa. Focal taxonomic group, we build a taxonomic list and building and managing these lists, even though it feels very easy, we'll end up spending a lot of time on that. Over the time, I have collected some experience with processing these lists and I have put them all together in this R package called taxotools. These are basically tools to handle a taxonomic lists. I'm going to explain a couple of typical workflows that I use for my taxonomic work, and I'm sure many of you might find it useful. So the first one is to get additional synonyms from Wikipedia. So to do that, I'm just starting with my package taxotools. This is a list of names that I'm interested in right now. This is a butterfly genus of Nawab butterflies, very beautiful butterflies, and I'm calling this function list wiki synonyms to get the synonyms. In the background, this function is going to Wikipedia pages, opening them, parsing the names, and fetching them back. Uh, Now we can see that these are the names that it has written. So original synonyms look good, but the synonym that is the parse list, it doesn't look very clean. So let us use some more functions available in taxotools to clean it. So what basically we are doing here is breaking them into genus, species and subspecies and then again putting them together. And now if we look at the synonym column, they all look good. They are actually exactly what we are expecting. So this is how we can generate the list and then put them together to build some master lists to do our work. The second workflow I'm going to show is uh, matching two lists and basically reconciling one of the lists uh, to follow another. So what I have done here is again for the same genus, I have downloaded the GBIF data and there are 139 entities in this particular data set. Now I will follow similar steps to clean the GBIF names, and what basically I have created here is a new field called new name, which I'm going to now use to match with a master list that I created. To tell you about this master list, I basically mm, put together all the known species of this particular genus, and I also pulled in all the synonyms and subspecies and put them all together and linked them with the ID numbers. So now I have also a small genus level synonym list where this Polyura genus was called by three other names which I have loaded here, and now I am running the function. This particular function actually uses several techniques. There are direct matches, there are fuzzy matches, there are genus level synonym replacements, there are replacement of subspecies, kind of bringing it up to species level. If subspecies are not matching, we drop them. So using all these techniques, what basically we have done is we have resolved all the 123 entities that we have to some valid accepted name that is there in the list. So this is how this particular function is very useful. I use this function with very large data set and it works really well. Um, there are several other functions in this particular package taxotools in different groups, and I would encourage you to go ahead and check them, and I'm always happy to receive feedback from you. Thank you.